What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Clover, and as you guys can see it is 120% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.08356 cents. It has pumped up, as you guys can see, this was yesterday afternoon, earlier this morning, and right now as well. And as you guys can see, it has been hitting huge green candles over the last 24 to 48 hours. So we're going to be going through what is next for Clover. Is it going to keep pumping, potentially hitting 10 cents over the weekend or early next week, and also going through for the rest of November and December? What can we expect? And going into 2025, is this a crypto to be holding on to? Is it one to be investing, or is it one to be selling if you're on a profit? So we will be covering buyers and sellers point of view, as well as looking at buyers and sellers point of view. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we do have the Fibonacci scale up on the screen right now, and Clover is at a very critical stage right now. As you guys can see, it has just about passed its resistance target as it's pumping up right now. So two things can happen here, guys. It can either break out and head up to the 10 cents target, which is its next resistance level, or it can hover around its current price range and drop back down into the green zone here, which is the 7 cents target. But I will be going through this very shortly. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So before I go any further, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's zoom into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. And as you guys can see, it's climbing up, nearly hitting the 9 cents target. It should hit 9 cents whilst I'm recording this video, but we'll keep an eye on that. As you guys can see, getting very close. I can't attempt to wait for it to hit 9 cents. And yes guys, it has hit 9 cents in value. As you guys can see, it's pumped up quite a bit. Anyways, let's zoom into the 30-minute chart here. We do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and they are looking quite steep indeed. Reason for the steepness is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 2 to 3 hours as well. It's pumped up like crazy, hence why the graphs are looking quite steep, which is not as realistic, because I'm not expecting it to keep pumping at that pace over the next 12 to 14 hours. Again, over the next towards the end of the day, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Clover to be heading down to just below 9 cents in value is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, over the next couple of hours, it is likely to head up to 10 cents, getting very close to 10 cents and past 11 cents, probably later on this afternoon, evening time, before it slowly starts to hit red candles, dropping down just below 9 cents is what I'm expecting. So do expect quite a wave. However, the overall outcome seems to be hovering around its current price range. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Again, we still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the blue line does look quite steep once again, guys. So over the next 7 to 8 days, by the end of next week, so next weekend, Clover should essentially be hovering around 11 cents in target is what my predictions are at the moment. Reason for that is, even though I'm expecting it to hit 11 cents later on today, after that it should stabilize and also hit red candles, going through a price correction early next week, early to mid next week, going through a price correction. So essentially it should drop down to around 7-8 cents and then slowly start to gain value again by mid to end of next week, which should make it go up to around 10 to 11 cents in value is what my predictions are at the moment. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we are looking way too steep, guys. Exact same reason as the previous chart. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, towards the end of 2024, early 2025, I am expecting Clover to be heading closer to the 12 to 13 cents target. So again, nothing huge from where it is at the moment, especially after the major drop that's taken place earlier in 2024, all up until, let's say, last week before the major pump that took place. Majority of the crypto market will be following a similar pattern, and I'm also expecting Bitcoin to be heading over $100,000 later on in November, early December, which should again have a major impact on the crypto market. However, for Clover, I'm expecting it to head upwards. However, I'm also expecting red candles in between. So when we consider the green and the reds, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting, up to about 12 to 13 cents. Again, it could be way higher. It could potentially pass about 20 cents as well, depending on any collaborations or partnerships that they've got going on any time in the future. But I will keep you guys updated, and if you guys want regular updates on Clover, let me know in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. But at the moment, and it's looking quite good for Clover over the short term and the long term. So bringing on the Fibonacci scale, so as you guys can see, we have broken out into the green zone right now, dark green zone, and yes, I'm expecting it to hit its next resistance level here over the next couple of hours, which is the resistance level to get into the blue zone. It should break out into the blue zone and hit around 11 cents, and once it hits its next resistance level, which is this one here, it should bounce back down. So it should essentially resist and drop back down into the dark green zone, which is about 9 to 10 cents in value, is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. So as I mentioned earlier, do expect a wave. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, as you guys can see, the crypto literally just keeps going up. This current value has gone up 133%, and the trading volume has gone up over near about 500% in the last 24 hours, making it $500 million in trading. So $500 million in trading, which is absolutely crazy. So we are seeing a lot more people buying and selling the crypto, a lot more activity, and over the last week 220%, with most of it coming from the last few days. So yeah, I've seen a lot of people saying Clover is likely to hit the dollar mark by the end of the year. However, the dollar mark is a little bit of a push for me. To hit the dollar mark, it will require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting at the moment. However, 15 to 17 cents is a reasonable figure. Let me know your predictions and your takes on Clover. How high are you guys expecting this crypto to go in 2024? Let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.